What's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, today in this video I have bring another awesome project that is called Doge Mob. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy this coin and you can stake and earn a lot of profit by playing as well. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all useful links in the video description. You simply click on it and you will come here to join this amazing platform. So dear fans, in the realm of meme coins, Doge Mob sets itself apart through its growing ecosystem, utility and community driven approach. So this is ordered by Contract Wolf as well, and you can also check out all information. I have placed link in my video description. Here you can also check out, it is audited by Sappho, and you can also check out the gold tier as well. You can also check all information, market cap, 24-hour price chart detail as well. Here you can also check out the audit history as well, and you can also check out all information here. So you can also check out the contract security is 95, so it's pretty good as well. So here you can also check out the token details and centralization scanning detail as well. So this is a verified project and you can easily invest and make a lot of profit from here as well. Now I will tell you how can you buy this token and you can stack and make a lot of profit, as well as you can also play and earn, and I will explain about governance. And I also recommended to all of you must be read out its white paper thoroughly to get a lot of information related to this amazing project before investing in this project, and do your own research as well. I also recommended you to must be join its telegram to get latest news and updates as well. Here you can also find out its contract address, you can copy and check out as well. So here we can also learn more about Doge Mob. So dear fans, you can also check out all information here as well. So like that, prepare for the ultimate meme driven crypto experience with Doge Mob set to make waves this alt SZN. So boosting a fixed total supply of 1 billion coins. So Doge Mob is bringing stability to the unpredictable altcoin landscape. So this meme coin stand out by embracing its meme status, positioning itself as a speculative investment for those looking to ride the meme wave during the alt season as well. So empowered with powerful utility, Doge Mob offers investor more than just the thrill of meme. It's a community driven digital asset that not only embodies the spirits of meme but also serve practical purpose, providing user with benefits and opportunities as well. Here we can also learn more about Doge Mob Arcade. So play for free or submit a wager to enter the prize pool. The three top leaderboard entrants will receive their shares of the prize pool drawn every Friday at 7 o'clock UTC time as well. Now you can also play the fast paced tour shooter for your chance to win the weekly prize pool. Play for free or submit wager to enter the prize pool right now here as well. Now you can also check out the information about stack Doge Mob. So start earning additionally Doge Mob stack by stacking your holding as well. So the user-friendly interface make it simple and secure to stake your Doge Mob tokens and begins earning rewards immediately. So here you can also click below to here to our staking website and learn how to stack and how to make a passive income as well. So here you can also check out the token mix detail, that there is a 0% fee on buy and sell and 0 fee on transfer as well. The sample is Doge Mob and the supply is here mentioned. You can also check out the chain is BSC as well. Now dear friends, you can also stack and earn a lot of profit here. So here you can stack Doge Mob and Doge Mob as well. Stack to earn and simply start earning additional Doge Mob token by stacking your holding. And you can also check that the user friendly interface make it simple and secure to stack your Doge Mob tokens and begins earning rewards immediately. No lock-in, withdraw at any time you want. So here you can also check that the current stacking API is 8.42% for 12 months and already stacked amount. You can also check out the figure here and put your Doge Mob token to work by stacking them and receive extra Doge Mob as a reward. So connect your wallet and follow these steps. So here you can also check out some steps to get started, determine stack amounts, deposit Doge Mob and earn reward as well. So here you can also connect your wallet, and if you can choose your wallet connect, MetaMask Trust wallet are 410 plus wallets are available. You can choose anyone in which you have some Doge Mob, and you can here easily stack and earn a lot of profit. You can also check out more information like that, the holders, market cap and stack amounts and much more detail here as well. So here we can also check out the contract wolf over. You can check out, you can also check out the security audit and KYC reports as well. Here you can also buy Doge Mob, easy way to buy on DEX and centralized exchanges. DFS, it is available on PanCap, Swap, Bitmart, Maxi Global Exchange, Gate.io, BitGet, Lbank and La token as well. So DFS, as you can see, all are reliable, trusted and verified platform and top exchanges where you can also buy it. Here you can also check out its price chart and analyze here thoroughly and understand, and you can also check out the transactions people are buying and selling. So its trade is live here and you can also participate, and right now you can swap or buy from any trusted exchange as well. So dear friends, first of all, here you can also check on coinmarketcap.com. You can also check out its current price, and now you can also buy from here. You can also check out the market cap and much more detail, analyze the price chart. So you can also check out and analyze its price on CoinGecko, and you can also check out its price chart and analyze, and you can also check out all amount here as well. So if you want to be buy, you can come on the PanCap Swap. You can connect your wallet in which you have some balance like that, MetaMask Trust wallet, Binance or something else which you want to be connected here, and you can also enter your amount, how much you want to be spent like that. 0.1 BNB if you want to be spent, you can get check out how much Doge Mob you can get. So around 6,748.11 Doge you can get easily. Now connect your wallet and easily swap on PanCap Swap as well. So it is also available on Bitmart exchange. You can also check out with USDT pair. Here you can also check out its price chart, as well as you can also check out its current price, 24-hour volumes, and check out the 24-hour high and low volume. You can also buy or sell here. So all our exchanges are trusted and reliable. If you come on the Maxi Global Exchange as well, so you can also check out with USDT pair as well. You can also check out its price, and you can also check it is making bullish right now, and it is the best time to buy it right now. You can also check out all information, and if as it is also available on Gate.io as well, you can also trade here as well. Now you can also check it is also available on BitGet, and you can also trade on BitGet as well. Now they have recently added on latoken.com, and now it is available for trade. It is here. You can also check all information. If you want to be trade on La token, now you can also find out on this exchange as well. So DFS, it is also available on lbank.com as well. You can also check out with USDT pair. You can also check out its price and 24-hour high and low volume and turnover as well. You can also check out, and right now you can also trade on here. So these are our exchange, are very trusted and reliable exchange. DFS, you can choose any exchange. You can swap or buy it right now, and you can hold it, and later you can sold and make a lot of profit as well. So it is the best time to buy it right now. Here you can also check out the Doge Mob governance. So Doge Mob is where innovation meets community governance. We are not just another meme coin. It is a dynamic ecosystem powered by a robust governance system and platform future, a dedicated discussions board where Doge Mob token holders can submit their Doge Mob improvements, proposals and activity, participate in shaping the futures of this project as well. So you can also with on chain voting system, every Doge Mob token holder has a voice and a vote in deciding the direction of the project as well. Here you can also submit your vote right now, and you can also check out the decisions detail here as well. So here we can also check out the partners. You Godbit, huge funds as well, and Contract World, Dex Tool, Fresh Coins, Listing.guru, and Queen Brain as well. So are supporting this amazing platform. Here we can also check out its roadmap that is consist on four quarter like that, quarter one, two, three, four, and so on. The ongoing focuses, you can also check that how the things are going on, and you can learn more here. So it's the roadmap is very clear and amazing. Here we can also check out the detail of the team. So team are very expert and strong team, and you can also check out all information related to team as well. So here I am doing mob. So set into your heart of a vibrant community where passions for all things crypto, all the excitement of Doge Mob. So community is a dynamic hub of crypto enthusiasts, meme lovers, and adventures investors who share a common goal to ride the waves of all season with Doge Mob. So you can must be joined. It's existing crypto adventure where the love of Doge Mob unites all us, and together we celebrate the meme cultures, navigate the twisted and turn of altcoin market, and reveal in the potential reward that come with being part of a community that's vibrant and dynamic as the crypto world itself. Must be joined on Telegram, and must be follow them on Twitter account to get latest news and update, and must be follow them their other social media to get latest news and updates. So here you can also check out its official Telegram, and you can also check that already 15,699 members already joined this one, and you can also join this to get latest news and updates as well. And I also recommended you to must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and update related to this amazing project. Here you can also check out about the announcement of La token that are already listed here, and dear fans, you can also get all information here. So dear fans, I have placed all official link in my video description, and this project have a massive potential inside, and it have a lot of future. Now you can stack and earn a lot of profit, as well as you can play and make a lot of money through this amazing platform. So this is a great opportunity for you, and don't miss out, and must be like and share this video with your friends in next video. Thanks for watching.